and happy life. Pakinggan po niyo to. For a long and happy life, number 1, eat half. Yun. Diet. Yung kinakain mo, hatiin mo lang yan. It'll be long and happy life. Nore, kaya mo isang lechon, kalahati lang. Ganun ba? You know, a lot of our sickness is because of the food we eat. Number 2, walk double. Hello, exercise. Walking is good for the health. You know, I was sharing kanina with Father. We have an auntie. She started walking at the age of 65. Up to now, she's still walking. We don't know where she is. Please call us, huh? Okay. That brings me to number 3. Laugh triple. Tumawa ka. Some of you have not laughed for 1 month already. Kahit walang nakakatawa, kahit mag-isa ka lang, go ahead, tumawa ka. 11th commandment, don't take yourself too seriously. That's your problem. You have problems, may Diyos, oh. Don't forget. In my most difficult moments, I said, Lord, bahala ka na sa akin. And I know He was there. You must trust God more and worry less. Pinapahirapan mo kang sarili mo at yung kawawang mga tao sa paligid mo. Have you forgotten what God said? I am with you always. The joy of the Lord is my strength. And don't doubt that you are loved by God. Pag pumasok po yung doubt, si taning na yan. Mahal ka ng Diyos. Maging sino ka man. Yung last pala, for a long and happy life, love without measure. Ang problema marami sa atin, hindi tayo maka-forgive. We cannot let go. Pag masyado kang mahigpit sa sarili mo sa iba, my God, you're very uptight. So what do you need to learn? What does the movie say? Frozen? What does it say? Let it go. Let's sing it. May iba sa inyo, 1 taon na hindi pa kumakanta.